Morning, friends. Today I take up the famous immortal Kriti, Akhilandeshwari Rakshaman, by my most favorite of the trinity of composers of Tyaga Brahman, Sri Syama Shastri, and of course, Sri Muthuswami Dikshidhar. Akhilandeshwari Rakshaman is based on the Raga Dvijavanti, the Hindustani equivalent being Jajavanti, and was brought into the Carnatic system by Dikshida himself, where he came across this raga during his sojourn as a Srividya Upasaka under Bhagavan Chidambaranatha Yogi in Kashi. There is significant Hindustani influence in Dikshida's compositions, and he has been credited with bringing many Hindustani ragas into the Carnatic system. The other famous Kriti of Dikshida in this raga, which is Janya of the 28th Melakarta, Harikamboji, in the Asampurna Melakarta system that was followed by the Dikshita school, generated or created by Sri Venkatamadhyam. The prosody, the language, Sanskrit, and the description of the Kshetra, the use of the Raga Mudra, which is Dvijavanti, and of course, Dikshida's own mudra of Gurubaha takes a special place in my heart and hearts of many of the Rasikas of music, specifically Carnatic music. Hopefully, my North Indian friends would also follow the lyrics as they are in Sanskrit, and Dikshida composed prolifically in this classical language. And just to describe the Kshetra, which is Tirukadiyur near Vaidiswaran Kovil, which is our family deity also, Vaidyanatha Swami, Balambika, Muthukumara Swami, after whom Dikshida's name was given by his parents, Ramasamy Dikshidhar and Neenambai, because he was born after a lot of tapas and prayer to Muthukumara Swami. The Lord Kartikeya shrine in Vaidiswaran Kovil. Vaidiswaran Kovil also happens to be an Angaraka Kshetra, which is a Kshetra for Mars, Mangala. However, today being Thursday, I bow to Sri Dakshinamurti, the Adiguru, which is Lord Shiva, sitting under a banyan tree with his left foot on his right lap in Abhay Mudra and Maunakara, which means he teaches without speaking. Just his face, the Nirmala, the Prashanta, the serene and Abhay Mudra of Paramasiva as Adi Guru, that is Lord Dakshinamurti, is enough to provide solace and teach rectitude and sobriety to his followers, to his devotees. So Akhilandeshwari Rakshaman in the Raga Dvijavanti, composed in Tala Adi, which is Teen Tal. Dvijavanti, as I said, is Jajavanti in Hindustani. Adi Tala is the basic Tala, which is Teen Tal. Of the 108 Talas that exist in the Carnatic system, this Tala is probably the most prominent, most significant amongst all, as it is the basis of all Tala, all Nala. So here goes Akhilandeshwari. It's a humble attempt, so please pardon my flaws. Sa pa sa pa sa pa sa pa sa. Of course, as MS Amma did, I will also start with a prayer to the Adi Guru to make sure that I am able to render this immortal Kriti. The other one being Chetasri Balakrishnam. I wouldn't like to render it today, maybe some other day. Since Balakrishna also happens to be my name, so no self-aggrandizement. Om Namah Pranavartaya Shuddha Jnanaikamurtaye Nirmalaya Prashantaya Sri Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Namah Pranavartaya Shuddha Jnanaikamurtaye Nirmalaya Prashantaya Dakshinamurtaye Namah. Om Akhilandeshwari Rakshama Sri Akhilandeshwari Rakshama Sri Akhilandeshwari Rakshamam Sri Agama Sampradaya Nipune Sri Akhilandeshwari Rakshama Nikhila Loka Nitya Nike Nimale Nikhila Loka Nitya Nike Vimale Nirmale Shyamale Amba Nirmale Shyamale Sakala Kale Akhilandeshwari Rakshama Sri Agama Sampradaya Nipune Shri Akhilandeshwari Rakshama. That was the Anupallavi in which he describes the beauty of the goddess, the purity of the goddess as Kalika, that is Shyamala, and the goddess of Sakalakala, that means all arts, which obviously means goddess in the form of, or Shakti in the form of goddess Saraswati. Now the Charanam, in which both the Raga Mudra as well as the Vagyakara Mudra would appear. It goes somewhat like this. Lambodara Guru Guha Pujite. Guru Guha, that is Muthuswami Dikshidhar himself, his mudra was Guru Guha. Lambodar Guru Guha Pujite Lambalago Bhasite Asite Lambodar Guru Guha Pujite Lambalago Bhasite Asite Vagdeva Taradite Varade Vagdeva Taradite Varade Varashailraj Nute Sharade. Varashaila Rajanute Sharade. He names both goddess Meenakshi, who is the goddess of Shaila Raja, which is the Himaparvata, that is goddess Parvati herself, Shakti herself, and of course Sharade, which is goddess Saraswati, Sakala Kale Sharade. Vagdevataradite Varade Varashaila Rajanute Sharade Jambari Sambhavite Janardhananute. Janardhana is goddess Vishnu, and Parvati is said to be the sister of goddess Vishnu. Jambari Sambhavite Janardhananute Jujavanti Raganute Jalli Madhala Jarjarava Janada Mudite Jnana Prade. Jambari Sambhavite Janardhananute Jojavanti Raganute Jalli Madhala Jarjaravadhyana Damudite Jnana Prade Akhilandeshwari Rakshama Sri Agama Sampradaya Nipune Sri Akhilandeshwari Rakshama. Pardon my croaky voice. I've been traveling too much, so the throat is not really supporting, but just couldn't resist singing this immortal Kriti, Akhilandeshwari Rakshama, my most favorite of the trinity of composers of Carnatic music, Sri Muthuswami Dikshidhar. Sa pa sa pa sa pa sa. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.